How to fix something went wrong with TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix something went wrong in TikTok problem. So this occurs whenever you try to open up your TikTok but your videos don't load or even your messages don't load. So if that happens, there can be many reasons why this occurs. So the first step that you will need to take is you'll need to swipe down from the top right corner and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Check your Wi-Fi connection, and if you do have internet connection and it's good, and if your network is not the issue, what you can do is you can head over to your TikTok, then go to your profile on the bottom right. After you do that, tap on the three lines on the top right corner. After you do that, simply tap on settings and privacy, and after you do that, scroll down. There you will see an option that says free up space and data saver. First head over to data saver and turn off your data saver. After you do that, head back and tap on free up space. From there, clear up all of your cache memory. So tap on clear after it stops calculating, and after you tap on clear cache again, and your cache should get cleared. After doing that, you can just remove your TikTok from your background and open up TikTok again, and your problem should get fixed. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.